Maayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. So it's been a while, guys. I think it was 2 videos posted a few weeks ago and I wasn't there. So it was Miss Anna ang nagpapakita during that video as what she said. She will be back and she will always come back, and she was so happy going back to the island. You know, nguha sila ng talaba, they went for swimming and it was really nice. Naiinggit ako. But soon, pag okay na lahat, I will be surely going back to our island. So guys, kumusta kayong lahat dyan? How are you? How are you everyone? I hope that you are all doing well. And me and Miss Anna are also doing well. So we are enjoying life anyhow. We are enjoying every moment. But of course, before we will proceed to our video for today, I would like to welcome everyone on behalf of Miss Anna Borromeo. Warm mabuhay from Ako Taga-Isla vlog. So I hope guys that today for our video you will enjoy, as I am going to show to you another adventure. This was during my vacation back in Badian, Cebu, when I do the canyoneering in Kawasan Waterfalls. It is one of the best tourist attraction in our place in Cebu. So I hope guys that you will enjoy this video. And before we will proceed again, I would like to invite everyone, if you are new to our channel, to please like, comment, and subscribe to Ako Taga-Isla vlog. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you so much. We really owe this to you. And of course, don't forget to click the notification bell para updated kayo sa aming upcoming videos. So everyone, I hope that you will enjoy once again. So let's watch this.
Mar. Say hello.
Video ka?
Oo.
Hi, welcome.
Sige na.
Welcome to Badian. Badian Canyooneering.
Canyoonering. Nakit kami dun sa taas.
Apoy backline. Pero worth it man sa lang pag ginaklayo. Dito din oh. Inana ko maambak ni na anak kalaw may. So bega lang yun. Bida kay na bonito. Among guide ko si Arnel. Arnel Pineda.
Arnel Pineda.
Kami maglakaw. Kuman ko mag-ambak-ambak. Ito ko no ka ambakanan.
Tagalog ka, Mario. Walang nakaintindi sa inyo.
Ano, okay lang yan para mag-adjust sila. Joke lang. Tapos ang dilaw mo daw sa kuan.
Ikaw nga tour guide ko, di ba? Tagalog ka?
Kayo,
Paano natin yan maintindihan?
Yung kasi mag-adjust sa akin. Baliktad na ngayon. Yung guest na yung mag-adjust sa tour. 4 to 12 meters daw among ambakan. Di ba vega na no? So, ikaw rin mo desisyon kung maambak jud ka. Hindi ka maambak. Kamang na lang dito.
Okay, go!
Higa?
Oh!
Mahulog ako!
Oh! Ganyan!
Sige, ayaw mo yan! Lakasan mo yung love mo! Yung ilong!
Hi, ma'am! Hi, ma'am!
Wait lang!
Sige, okay na!
Wait lang!
Huwag ka lang maghawak, ma'am!
1, 2, 3, go! Wait lang po!
Okay, yan! Okay na yan! Hawak sa life vest, ma'am! Hawak!
Tapos, hindi pa ako matagawa sa iyo.
Hindi! Sige, 3, 2, 1! Okay, next!
Bahawa ka lang kuya pa.
Sige.
Baka wala. Ako muna kuya.
Sige, 3, 2, 1. Okay, sir?
Sige ba?
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Natatakot ako.
Ha? Sige, sa gitna lang. Sige. Big step. 3. Okay. Hey. Yeah. Teka lang, ma'am. Okay na, sir. 3, 2, 1.
Wait lang. Hindi ko kaya.
Kaya mo yan, ma'am.
Hindi ko kaya.
Pagbilang ko ng 3, talo na kayo, ma'am.
Wait lang, no. Wait lang. Sunod ako kayo kuya.
Sabay lang tayo mamaya.
Nanginginig ako, sorry.
3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, go. 3, 2, 1. Mababaw lang yan. Kasi
Canyoonering guide, and I inviting all of you to visit Canyoonering Adventure and Kawasan Falls, so you can relax and enjoy the calm nature here in Cebu. So don't miss it out. Thank you.
So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that all of you are enjoying the video, and I would like to invite everyone to please experience the Badian Kawasan Waterfalls Canyoneering. It was a great experience. It's unforgettable guys. Hindi nyo talaga malilimutan yung experience nyo doon. Medyo may thrill, medyo may nakakatakot na part, but the most important is sobrang mag-i-enjoy ka talaga. And I would like to shout out yung mga kasama ko during that time. I have Jun Rubrico. So he was my colleague here in Doha, Qatar. And of course guys, sometimes pag nag-adventure ka, you will be meeting different person and they will become your friend. So I would like to shout out si Miss Love and Mr. Kim Rameriz. They are now a lovely couple. And si Miss Floristy, very beautiful woman. So I hope that you guys are doing well. Take care always. So thank you so much for, of course, for your approval na ipakita ko yung video with you guys. Salamat ng marami talaga. At I would also like to shout out Kirby. He was just my new friend. So he said that he was a guide of Kawasan Waterfalls Canyoneering, and he is so nice. So thank you so much Kirby for your short clip of video. You are inviting everyone to experience the Kawasan the Canyoneering. It was actually operational now, and also our tour guide or our guide during that canyoneering, that was Arnel. So Arnel, thank you so much. You were so good talaga. Yung inassist mo talaga kami, yung mga moments na takot kami, and you are the one motivating us na tumalon. So thank you so much Arnel. So guys, meron pa to siyang part 2 ha. Yung tumalon kami sa, I think that was 30 feet. Sobrang haba talaga, pero nakaya ko naman. And it was so funny because si Miss Love was medyo natakot siya talaga, but still we are all enjoying this experience. So guys, once again, thank you so much, and I will see you sa part 2 ng video na to. Take care always, and warm mabuhay. See you soon. Bye!